Nike Cortez. By far, one of the oldest sneakers in Nike history. But I can see my man Connors, man, in LA rocking these hard. Good job, Union. Hit the B-roll. Open Sesame. Y'all see what I did there? Today we are reviewing the Cortez Nike Union collab Sesame joints. And I never really owned the Cortez. I know I wanted the Kung Fu Kenny Kendrick Lamar joints bad, but then when I was going to hit the click to buy it, I was like, am I going to wear that sneaker? You know, the Cortez is more of a LA feel, LA look sneaker. It's dope in my opinion, but I just never hit the button on any of these. Real quick, in the comment section below, let me know how you feel about the Cortez. Nike is celebrating a 50-year anniversary with the Nike Cortez. So it was only fitting that they said, hey, Union, come do a collab with this sneaker, man. And shout out to Union for not jumping to the hype. And doing a sneaker that's really not that popular. Iconic, yes. OG, yes. But popular, that's a different story. So we're going to get into a full in-depth review on these Sesame joints. A lot of different materials used to make this sneaker. The colorway I love. The materials we'll talk about. I kind of believe some of these materials look like they're recycled. It kind of looked like that Jordan 1 I got that was made from trash. But we're going to get into a full in-depth review right now. Unboxing time. Yes, sir. So you see the Union on top of the Nike swoosh to stand out on a nice golden LA yellow box. This is actually an OG Nike box with the Union tag all over it. So you got that nice yellow and black Wu-Tang look on the box. Union on the sides, Union on the back, Union on the front with a white Nike swoosh. And then you have the Union LA logo right here in a circle. You see the guys there with some writing there. Let's see if this writing is important. Nike sports shoes are manufactured to the exact specification of a champion athlete throughout the world. Yada, yada, yada. The bottom has all the bells and whistles. Nike swoosh, Nike logo, Nike words. You know. This is where we get important. You flip open the lid and you got a nice, dope, looks like a newspaper cutout. Or like an old East Bay magazine ad with the original Cortez in the color. Looks like an old sneaker magazine. I know a lot of y'all not privy for sneaker magazines. We have the internet now, thank God. But that's dope, and it's large. Pause. After that, regular tissue paper. Again, you can see the other side of the newspaper. And that's dope, man. A lot of people hang that up. Saki's good for doing that. That's dope. And let's start with the right shoe. And you can see how wide the sneaker is. It covers like the whole screen. But here's a 360 view of the Nike Cortez Sesame joints. And I told y'all, this colorway is nice, guys. Nice, man. So when you think of sesame, we automatically think of this color, right? Are we all in agreement? I think so. You got your nice nubuck suede sesame color on the top where the toes are. When you come to the right, you got a nice, I want to say canvas. It feels canvas. Looks like a couch, but it feels canvas. And that's where your other colors creep in. That nice blue, light pink, and then that dark pink, which I love. Then back to your sesame, and then your light blue at the bottom again. So a nice busy pattern there. That cuts off a little bit of the Chanel, of the nubuck suede colorway there. And then boom, your classic UN LA logo that's on almost every collab they do. I really like it on the Jordan 4s. It still fit in here too, but I feel like the yellow wasn't needed. But that's their class, that's their classic look, and that's where it's at. I got ahead of myself because I really want to talk about this Chanel nubuck suede look swoosh in that dope hot pink colorway. That is my highlight of the sneaker, guys. Big, huge swoosh, comes all the way in, and we'll talk about the back. But right here, that canvas pattern creeps back in again after it's cut off a little bit by that nubuck suede sesame. So as I was telling you about the swoosh, when you get all the way to the back, boom, there go your Union LA logo, also in that hot pink background with that nice blue that we seen on almost every Union 4 except for the North. But if you don't want to see that Union, voila, there go your classic Nike logo, mostly seen on the Dunks. But here we have it on the Cortez. They're on the Cortez too, but they look more better on the Dunks. That's where I know them from. So when you flip that down, you do have the Union LA logo, but also you have a Nike logo. I feel like that's dope. And I'm kind of happy they didn't add a button here, so you would have to detach it just to see it. I like that you could just flip it open and see that. So coming around the inside of the shoe, same as the outside. Nothing's changed. The same patterns, the same hot pink Chanel swoosh. Now what I want to get into before we get into up here is the bottom. It looks wine corky to me. Looks like a wine cork. But these are made from recycled material, guys. And that's dope because the sneaker's already priced at a good price. So in order to even make it more affordable, I would say, as far as the materials for Nike, they gave us the recycled bottom. It does look like wine cork look, spongy look now that I look, but you can tell that is recycled material. And that's all the way around, even up here, guys. As you can see the bottom, you still have that Nike Cortez silhouette at the bottom, but you can see that it's made from 100% like recycled material. And right in the inside is your Nike logo. Now, speaking of wine cork, your soles also has that wine cork look with the Union logo, with the Nike swoosh and that nice teal green or blue, depending on how you see it in the inside. Now back to the front of the shoe. You got pink suede now on top of the sesame suede with a nice blue, shoelace tag there that reads Cortez 72. And I love the shoelaces that come draped inside the sneaker already. Like pink sweater hits look. I love that shoelace. But I won't be mad with the added nice blue, greenish colorway neither. Either one. Let me know in the comment section below which one you'll rock with. But either one is fine with me. You get to the top and there go a nice hot pink tag with your Union logo, the same one that's in the inside of the sneaker. Now let's talk about the tongue. The tongue has the foam that's outside already that I love. Shout out to Virgil. He's the first person I seen do this. So shout out to him for that. RIP, of course. But that's how the tongue is. It has the foam that you can see outside. And the back of the tongue reads, "Know the Ledge," with the Union logo there. I've been on the Union website a couple times the last year with all these collabs, and I have seen the "Know the Ledge" quote on their website. "Know the Ledge" is an old song, I believe, by Rakim. I believe so. But that's the classic song playing in Juice, the movie Juice, if you know it. The "Know the Ledge" joint. So I have both shoes now, and they both add up. Nothing's changed. I feel like far as the back, one could have had Nike on the front, and then you flip it open and it's Union, and vice versa, but they both have the Union logo on the back. The material, recycled materials on each side, believe it or not, looks the same. Like, the dots and the cuts are all in the same place. That's crazy to me. But yeah, nothing's changed with both shoes. So as I told y'all, this is my first Cortez ever in hand. My first Cortez review for you guys. I like the sneaker, man. Not one of my favorite Union releases, but it's not a bad sneaker. I think if anyone's hating on this sneaker, it's because of the silhouette. Definitely not the execution or the colorway. The sneaker was priced at $130. Believe it or not, I won these off the Nike Sneakers app. Ha! Got him! But I mean, not believe it or not, because there's no hype around this sneaker at all. You can go inside some of your local malls, and they're quacking. They're sitting like ducks. But I think once they sell out, the sneaker will be maybe in a $230 price tag far as resale. I like the sneaker. Like I told y'all, it's Cortez 50th anniversary. So other sneakers companies and designers, they're going to be collabing with the Cortez this year. This is the first of many. So they went out on a limb and went first. Let's see who comes next. Maybe Travis Scott. We got to wait and see. And then the hype around this sneaker will build up. I say, if you like the sneaker and you could get it for retail, go get it right now. The sneaker definitely is not going to stay at $130. They're not going to restock. So once they sell out, they're gone. I don't know. It really depends on if you like the silhouette. I'm not a Cortez guy because of the width of the sneaker. The sneaker looks so huge right here. It looks like a sock in my opinion. And I have wide feet. So if you have wide feet but you're into the Cortez, I would say go up half a size. When I tried these on, they were a little snug. And this is my true to size 10.5. So I should have went with 11. So if you got wide feet, I'll say go up at least half a size on this sneaker. It fits like the Air Max 95 a little bit. And that's kind of why I don't wear the Air Max 95 a little bit. Because this part right here, if you got wide feet, it starts bulging out if you don't go up half a size. So yeah, man, take that with a grain of salt, guys. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. We will get a hat of style to this sneaker because it's just so much colors. I just want to be a scientist and figure out how to make the perfect outfit for this. So that's coming soon. Look out for that. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Thanks for watching. Everybody, get rich.